In our last video, you saw us unbox the Kemimoto trunk bag for bikes, and right now we are ready to install it onto our bike to go take an adventure. Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Eric, and together we are Roosevelt's Ride.
So let's get this installation started.
So as you can see in the Kemimoto trunk bag, there's it fits the rack very well, and also the mounting system. It looks like there's 2 straps that will go on the underside, and then there's 2 additional straps that'll go on the front side. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. Let's go ahead and try to mount those piniers. So there is a little clip on the back. You should be able to just go down and hook on, and then there's different positions where you can actually put the hook on. So let's go ahead and start it with where it is currently. So I'm gonna do that, and I think it should hook just right down here. No problem. Good to go. Now I'm ready for a small overnight tour. Well, there you have it.
Yeah, it was a quick, fast install.
Yeah, there's only really 4 straps. There's a couple here for the front of the rack, and then 2 that go underneath. You should have it on and off your bike. It's not necessarily a quick release. I wouldn't qualify it as that.
Oh, no.
But if you need to get it on quickly and just helping with camp pack up and stuff when you're on an overnight tour, this bag might work well. So we'll see.
We'll pack it up and take it on an adventure soon.
Absolutely.
So make sure to check back for that video.
Well, I'm Eric.
I'm Christina.
And together we are
Roosevelt's Ride. We'll see you on the trail.
Take care.